biggest breakthrough was learning how to embody the innate wisdom that comes from a yoga practice and getting to know yourself through different practices of everyday life, like eating well or deciding if this is the right path or that's the right path and making the choice to do what's right for you. And the last night when we were in our final yoga asana class, we were going through the sequence in a way that it was kind of a storyline, and we were told to hold the postures as long as we felt worked well with our bodies, our minds, and our spirits. And so you stayed in the postures as long as you needed to until you felt a full circle completion of the posture, of the asana. And so I felt like that was, I'm a very physical person, so I learned through my physical body, and that was really, that encompassed my experience.